It's time for us now to look at a different side of South Africa, and the reality of South Africa is not everybody is that fortunate to get a good schooling in South Africa.
And that's where Bambini Dream comes in. It's an organization that works hard to inspire kids who have been socially neglected, whether it is through poverty or abuse. Now, here to tell us a little bit more, we have Taryn, we have Candace, and then we also have some kids from the organization. Welcome to HE9.
Thank you.
Cool, so Taryn, take us through exactly what Bambini do.
Okay, our mission of the Bambini Dream Foundation is to raise enough funds in order to buy the dream house.
Okay.
And in this house, we are going to offer music therapy and art therapy to kids who have been, who suffer because of social ills such as gangsterism, poverty, violence, neglect and abuse.
And Bambini is an organization. You guys do far more than just actually work with the kids themselves. You help other NGOs do their work. Tell us more about that.
Yes, one project that we have been asked to come on board with is for the creating of a playground within Blikkiesdorp.
Wow.
Which currently there is absolutely nothing for the kids to play. They are playing, you know, gravel. And so, yes, part of what we are going to focus on now is trying to raise enough funds so that we can help build this playground.
Amazing.
Kids.
Now, you've spoken about therapies that's available to these kids. You said music and you said arts as well.
Do you teach dancing? I'm going to come.
He's a hopeless case.
Okay.
Are there other facilities or other therapies that you guys offer to these kids?
Well, one thing that we are very focused on within the foundation is actually to teach kids how to use their mind in order to achieve their goals. So activities such as visualization and positive affirmations, and then also learning via experience by taking them on outings and just teaching them about, you know, what is out there.
So Candace, tell us why you think it was so important to use the arts as a medium for education.
Well, we just feel that that's a way that kids can express themselves. You know, they like playing and they like using, you know, art to express themselves. So we thought that that would be perfect for them, you know, perfect medium for them to kind of go ahead and do that.
And the name Bambini Dream is very, very interesting. There's an Italian word thrown in there, so I'm very, very proud. I'm so glad about this. Tell me more about the name Bambini Dream and where it came from.
So Bambini in Italian, as you will know, means children.
Yes! Word of the day. Yeah.
It means Children Dream, and it is a South African-Italian collaboration. So we have a large Italian community who supports us, as well as South African, as well as a large community of Italian artists who are donating their music to the foundation. And as soon as our website is up and running with regards to the music side, you'll be able to go on there and download as much songs as you want to, with all the money coming towards us, so we can buy the house and we can give the therapy to the kids.
Cool.
Awesome. Now, I want to know, before we get into this lovely souls, I want to know, like, how did these kids come to you? Do you guys go out and find these kids, or do they come to you?
Well, because of some work that we had previously done within the community of Blikkiesdorp, you know, we had spoken to some of the community leaders, and they rounded up these 13 brilliant kids to partake in our imagination workshops.
Wow.
Let's meet some of you guys very quickly. Will you tell us what your name is and tell us which your favorite art to do?
My name is Jody. My favorite art is rugby.
Is rugby.
Hoe jy van rugby speel? En wie is your favorite rugby player op die oomblik? Brian Habana.
And your name?
My name is Jolene.
Jolene.
My favorite art is sing.
You like singing?
You like singing?
Yes.
Do you want to sing a song for us? Want to try? No? Okay, it's fine. What is your name?
My name is Kjelden. I like to draw and play soccer.
And will you want to give me one Italian word very quickly?
I don't know.
Oh, all right. It's fine. It's okay.
Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. I absolutely adore and I really salute the work you guys are doing. Guys, if you want to know more, hop onto our website because all the information will be on there. But right now, stay exactly where you are because after this, Danilo Antonio Acquisto will be giving you your gaming review.
Hectic.